If you love peanut butter, you've got to try these cookies. Start by mixing your dry ingredients. Sift together all-purpose flour and a little baking powder, then set that aside for later. In another bowl, cream together unsalted butter, brown sugar, white sugar, and a pinch of salt until it's smooth and creamy. Now for the main attraction. We added a combination of smooth and crunchy peanut butter to add a little texture, but feel free to add whatever your favorite is. Mix in the peanut butter until it's smooth, then add in an egg and some vanilla extract and whisk it all together until it's velvety. Now you can add in your dry ingredients and use a rubber spatula to combine. Once your dough is mixed, you can form 1-inch balls with your hands and place them on a cookie tray lined with parchment paper. Now you could use a fork to push them down, or if you want to be a little fancy, use your palm to flatten them slightly, then use a toothpick to form a diamond pattern across the whole cookie. These need to bake at 350 for around 15 minutes. Let them cool slightly before you dig in. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Dished.